Hello everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to prove the limit comparison test. Suppose a sub n greater than 0, b sub n greater than 0, and limit of a sub n over b sub n when n approaches infinity equals L, or limit of b sub n over a sub n when n approaches infinity equals L, where L is a finite and positive number, right? It means L between 0 and infinity. Then the two series a sub n and b sub n either both converge or both diverge. Alright, now since 0 less than L less than infinity, we can find two positive and finite numbers s less than L less than y. Since limit of a sub n over b sub n when n approaches infinity equals L. So there must be a positive integer n such that if little n greater than capital N, we have s less than a sub n over b sub n less than y, right? Now we're going to multiply three sides by b sub n, so we have s times b sub n less than a sub n less than y times b sub n, right? Now if the series b sub n converges, we can conclude that the series y times b sub n converges, right? But a sub n less than y times b sub n, right? So we can conclude that the series a sub n converges, right? By direct comparison test, right? Now the second case, if the series b sub n diverges, the series s times b sub n diverges, right? But s times b sub n less than a sub n, right? So we can conclude that the series a sub n diverges, right? By the direct comparison test. I call this DCT, right? And it's good time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher.